Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get small crosshair on Deadlock. So what you need to do here, you need to open a browser and click on the link in the description below to open up this website. Don't worry, you don't need to download anything or whatsoever. It's super simple way to change your crosshair and without tweaking the commands and testing the commands on the console, right? So you can choose presets. You can make it from just look on the presets and select from the presets, but also you can tweak the presets if you want to as well. You can change color, you can change line opacity, as you can see here. You can change width, you can change a height, you can change gap, and do a bunch of different things. You can outline, and once you're satisfied with a crosshair, all you need to do here is to copy the config, go to the Deadlock, open up console, F7, paste the code, and now as you can see here, your crosshair is small. Right, so yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.